this is Blush and Bliss and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And before starting this video, I hope you have subscribed to my channel. तो आपने टाइटल तो देख ही लिया होगा. So today we'll be doing Get Ready with me for the Rakhi, for the Raksha Bandhan. Today I'll be showing you how I did my makeup and get dressed. Actually makeup तो हो चुका है, तो I'll be showing you how I did this makeup and I'll be showing you what I'm wearing. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So we'll be starting with the moisturizer first, and I will use this Mamaearth moisturizer. Just one pump. This is literally amazing on my skin. I just love this product. So next, वैसे तो I use Huda Beauty primer, but this time I will use an aloe vera gel. I'm using this Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel. So yeah. It smells very good. Done. Okay, so next we'll go with the concealer. So मैंने ये नया ही मंगाया है इनसाइड का प्रो कंसील. दिस इज द कंसीलर बेस. तो आज लेट्स ट्राई इट. So yeah, I'm done with the concealer and it's a very nice product and you should give it a try. This is Inside Pro Concealer. You should give it a try. So the next thing we'll be doing is foundation, obviously. So here is the foundation. As usual, I'll be using this Wet n Wild foundation. Wet n Wild foundation, photo focus foundation. Don't forget the neck. So yeah, done with the foundation, and next we'll go with baking, I guess. Yes, baking. For baking, I'm using this Sapphire Blue Heaven translucent powder. Okay. तो वैसे तो इसके साथ ये इसका क्या कहते हैं इसको, whatever ये आता है, but we'll use this brush. So now is the time for the eyes. So सबसे पहले conceal करते हैं eyes को. So I'm using this as usual LA Girl Pro Concealer. So now it's our favorite part, eyeshadows. So for eyeshadow, I'll be using this shade as a base. So yeah, where's the brush? I don't have any particular brush for particular thing. मैं कुछ भी use कर लेती हूँ. Done with this side, and now this. Now I'll be using this red color. On the corner of my eyes. Done. You can also add some glitter to it. Now I'll just remove this translucent powder. Also again, I'm not a pro at sharing you what I do generally. So yeah, done with the eye makeup. Actually not. अभी eyeliner बचा है. अभी liner बचा है. That is the most important and the difficult thing. So yeah, let's start. तो मैं फुल लाइनर नहीं लगाऊंगी. आई डू जस्ट हाफ ऑफ इट. फाइनली डन. आई होप कि ये इक्वल हो. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट. So concealer done, foundation done, baking done, eyeshadows done, eyeliner done, and then so now it's the time for the favorite part of makeup, mascara. I'm using this sugar mascara. This mascara takes this makeup to a whole new level. I just love this product. I am in love with this. So now I'll be using a new product in my makeup list. I'm using this for the first time. This is Insight Duo 2-in-1 stick. So this is basically conceal contour on the one side and highlighter on the other side. So I'm using this contour stick for the first time. I've never used the contour, so I need a mirror. How to use it? I've seen hundreds of videos of how to do this, but still I am in a dilemma. कोई डिफरेंस दिख रहा है इससे? Let me know. So now it's the time for the blush. So for blush, again I'll be using this sugar blush. Trying to make a heart, but never mind. Let's just fill it. Don't forget to smile. So I am done with blush, and now it's the time for highlighter. So for the highlighter also I'll be using this Insight Duo 2-in-1 lips. I'll be using this Insight Duo 2-in-1 stick again for the highlighter. Let's see कैसी है ये, देखते हैं. So it's quite a nice highlighter. I liked it. It's okay. So now it's the time for the last lipstick. I'll be using this sugar lipstick. This is in the shade 06 Spring Crimson. 06 Spring Crimson, whatever. So I'll be using this. Ready with the makeup, and now I'll be showing you the dress I'll be wearing for the Rakhi event and the jewelries I'll be wearing, obviously. So let's go. So for the dress I'll be wearing this suit. This is an anarkali suit and a very famous print. This is known as Bandhani print. It's a very famous print of Jaipur, Bandhani print. So I'll be wearing this, and with this suit I'll be wearing these beautiful earrings. I'll be wearing these beautiful earrings. So yeah, that is my outfit for today, and let's get ready. तो मैंने ये ड्रेस पहन ली है and it was quite loose for me. तो मैंने ये बेल्ट लगा ली इसके अंदर. Also, I'll straighten my hair with this Philips Selfie Straightener. So for the hairs, I'll just like comb it. And now I'll just secure it with some clips. And yeah, I'm all set for the day. So that was it for the video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And also follow my Instagram account. I've given the link in the description box below, so do check out. And this is Lashan signing off. Take care, bye bye.